Good evening, everybody. In this presentation, I'm going to take you through how to create a test course using Blackboard. So first of all, you sign onto your Blackboard by using your Ohio student email and your password. So it runs a little bit, and once this platform is opened, you go to organizations. And then after organizations, you kind of select organization catalog at the right side of your platform. So once you select it, it gives you a drop box which has a name and contains by default. Then there is an empty menu where you put in create a text course. So once you type in create a test course, you go to the right side of the tab and then you click on go. So once you click on go, it populates another tab that has create a test quickly. So you hover your cursor here and it gives you the opportunity to select from a menu box. So you click on it and then it gives you enroll. So you click on enroll and then it opens for you to enroll. Then you go to submit. And then you go to OK. So once you go to submit and you go to OK, it gives you another menu box that has create test course. So create test course, you click on it and then it gives you another menu box that says new test course name. So once you have the new test course name, you put in the name that you want to give it to your class or your course. So for the purpose of this, I named this course as EDCT 6012 discussion board prompt. And then I check my date. You make sure you have an end date. So this course is intended to end on January 18th, 2022. So then you click submit. So you click on courses to see if you have your course on the courses menu. So you click on the courses and then you go to the very bottom. There you go. You see your course at the assorted dates. So over here, you can click on the star to make sure that your course, is added to the favorite list. Favorite list means your course is going to be populated at the very top of the course list. So we click on this and then we go to the very top and there you go. This is our course. So over here, we can have the opportunity to manipulate and go in there and edit or add whatever we want to add. So we click on it. It opens. We have so many, several resources to manipulate and add many things to our course or the course that I just developed. So in the first place, we go to the course tools. When we click on the course tools, it gives us the opportunity to add or modify enrollment. This is where you add students to the course. So all registered students or all students who are interested in participating or taking part of this course are going to be added through the modify enrollment or through the add or modified enrollment. So we click on this and then it opens two statements. One is enroll users, the other is manage enrollment. So we go to the enroll users to make sure we enroll people. This box comes up and over here it says user ID. So the user ID includes the initial first name and last name with your 6-digit numbers, and for some people it's the first name, the last name, for the instructors. So you add them here and then you go to search and you are able to add students. So we've added students to this course, so we click OK and then we go back to this. We can come here and manage enrollment. So for the purpose of this class, I added Dr. Striker as an instructor or a manager so that he will be able to see what I have designed. And I added one student from my department to make sure she could give me feedback on whatever she has seen on the design. And I also added one student from this class, Fatia, to also see and make some comments and some recommendations or critiques on the design that I have done. So once I do this, I go to OK and make sure I OK it. So this means I have these people on the course list. So I can now go back and see how my course shows. So I come back to courses and still I have it here. Then I go in this way and I just hit here to make sure that whatever has populated reduces. So I can come to users and groups to make sure I view all users. So when I come to users, I will be able to see all the people that I have added as users. So over here I have Fatia as a user, and then I also added myself. Actually, I am the instructor and the creator, and then I also added myself as a student just to make sure that I'm able to see how the student interface works. And I added Jemima Poma, who is a course mate, to allow her, access it and tell me how useful the tool is. And I added Dr. Striker, like I said earlier, as a co-instructor and also an advisor. So I go to groups and then I make sure I created a group, and the group I said quiz group. So once I create this quiz group, that means that this group is able to access the course that I have created. So I self-enrollment and then I made it available for each person to access. So then you go here, you click on the group, and then it populates this table and also allow you to see, and then go to the discussion board. So the discussion board brings you back to the quiz. I have not created a quiz yet. If I want to create a quiz, this is what I put in here. So then you can also come to customize and then make sure that you put your you allow your guests and then allow observers so that every person or each person can view the course created. This is also the grade center where each participant gets their grades from in case they do any assignment. So then when you come here, there is an assignment section where assignments are created. So for the purpose of this class, I have created an assignment that is going to be taken by the 3 students, including Fatia, Joseph as a student, and then Jemima. And then also there is a test session where the same students can see all the tests that I have created. So I think for the purpose of this class, I would like to end here. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you.